Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Compoform. I get EDC. Okay. This is an unboxing because you can't just like not open this when you get it. The V1 seigaiha, 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 seigaiha. Yes, I had to listen to it a few times. Listen to that. Ah, right into it. Yes. Let me just get this. Listen to that snap when it snaps. You know? Love it. Here's the Gorgon. And the work of art. Oh my goodness. That's not what we're talking about right now. Whoa, stay on target. Stay on target. So this is just utter sheer perfection. Thank you, Ivan, for your fantastic work. I just don't even know how to describe how this color pleases me. The blurple, like, that's just like all the colors I love in one. I'm so happy. Anyways, I think when I get the mini version of this, it's gonna be super exciting. Some people are already putting videos of that out now. Go check those out. So this is just kind of my little "Hey, I joined the club, everybody" video, and get down. And anyways, let's just do some comparisons while we at it. A little snappier. Here's the Click Bar Supreme. Superb action. Somehow some flies got in here. They're attacking me. I can't tell you how much I want to thank Pluke for this one. And as well. So anyways, we look at it like this. Might as well check out the innards. This is what that looks like. Oh my goodness. Here's what the other side looks like. Fifth pocket, yeah, 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 yeah. Seigaiha. Oh, good job, Paul. You're such an expert. Describe scratch it across there. Oh yeah, well, you know, this thing won't be leaving my hands for a lot of years. I like to just hang on to things to a fault. But probably this won't be gotten rid of. This will at least stay in the family somehow. I just love it. I just love it. I've actually found out I'm much better with my left hand. I don't know if it's because I play the bass with my left. You know, I'm a right-handed bass player, but you know, these fingers are just doing this while this is doing all this other stuff. Yeah. Anyways, can keep this one short and sweet. We got a few to get through. That's gonna be it for now. For now. Compoform. Compoform.